Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful, classy and elegant collection of hand embroidery designs. All of these are floral patterns of hand embroidery that could be used for a wide variety of ways and number of reasons. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Guys, one more request to go that at the end of each video we have make a section onto which we keep on sharing motivational and inspirational quotes, and we want you to share in comment section what you feel about that specific content and what are your opinion and ideas. So now let's move back towards our main content, which is how you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Then the answer to this very simple and easy question is that as per your own choice. One more thing, guys, that we never reclaim someone else's work as our own, or we never reclaim that someone's piece of art is our own piece of work. The basic purpose and intent of our channel's sharing videos is to share amazing ideas, trendy design patterns with you. The beauty and creativity of these design patterns is that they are bidirectional. That is, that you can use them for machine embroidery and also you can use them for hand embroidery at the same time. So, how you can make them colorful? Just you can use dyed or shaded thread. You don't need to do the shaded terminology. Some simple and easy basic beginner friendly embroidery stitches like stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch, lazy daisy have been used, and French knot is also used to fill up the center of flowers to give them a more creative and unique look. I would recommend you to make use of sequins, beads, pearls, to give your design, your embroidery pattern a more creative, funky, and a formal look. You can make these very beautiful floral patterns of embroidery to design your shirts as an all-over embroidery pattern, to design your strollers, scarf, shawls. Even you can design these very beautiful, mini, lightweight, breathable, and comfortable floral patterns of embroidery onto the dresses of your baby girls. You can design the yoke of your baby girl frocks. You can also design different type of denim material like denim shirts, jeans, denim jackets could also be designed and decorated with the help of these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. For getting more creative, beautiful, and eye-catchy patterns, I would recommend you to use the same color of threads and same color of fabric. So with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and stay tuned for the latest and new upcoming videos. Up till then, keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content. With your love and support, we have reached at this level. And now at the end, it's time for the inspirational motivation. Guys, never stop being a good person just because of other people's of bad intentions.